Okay, so if you've got livestock, you already know moving hay is just a part of life. And if you don't have the right attachment, it turns into way more work than what it needs to be. Today we're showing you the VEVOR hay spear to move around bales for our animals. Hooking it up is really easy. It's a quick attach, so it just locks right into the loader. No fighting it, no extra parts, no frustration, which me and my husband both appreciate. Once you line up the bale, you drive it right in and it slides right on. Smooth. No bouncing, no slipping. It's got these two stabilizer spears that really help keep it from twisting. Once it's on, it feels solid. There's no wobbling, no scary movement. It lifts the bale easily and carries it where we need it, to the pasture, feeder, or to the barn. This saves so much time and energy, you guys. Being able to set the bale down is just as easy. You line it up, lower it, back out, done. No wrestling with the hay, no hand moving, no mess. Why we chose this hay spear is because it works well. It's got a strong 1,600 pound capacity. It's got the long 49-inch main spear, it's got two stabilizer spears, it's got the quick attach, and it's heavy-duty steel. This is great for anyone who owns cattle, horses, goats, sheep, any livestock basically. And of course you'll need a tractor or skid steer. If you move hay regularly, this is a must. The VEVOR hay spear has made feeding time so much easier for us. It's less manual labor, less strain, more efficiency. We can move bales quickly and without fighting with them. If you're tired of wrestling hay by hand, this attachment is definitely worth it, you guys.